Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have some new effects in Adobe Illustrator. They are very cool. I'm talking about Distort and Transform effects. So let's start. All effects today works with any shape or text. The first one today is free Distort effect. This effect is used for distorting any text or any shape. For example, I will write anything like this. And now open effect menu, distort and transform and free distort. Now I can distort it like this from any corner like this, and also I can make a reflect like this and choose horizontal, preview and make copy like this. And now I can choose effect menu, distort and make like a orb like this. And now with opacity, decrease the opacity like this. The next one today is backer or plot like this. This effect is very cool and you can use it with text like this. I will write anything like this and effect menu, backer and plot, and it is very cool. You can make it like sharp like this, or you can make it like rounded like this, and you can use it also with any shape like a square or rectangle. Click on preview. Now I can make it like this or like a flower. The next one is Rosen effect. This effect is used to make an effect like a broken glass like this. Choose distort and transform and Rosen. And now click on preview. Now I have this Rosen border and I can increase the size of it, and I can use it relative to the shape or absolute with the diameter, and I can increase the details or decrease it. And the last thing, make the points here smooth like rounded like this, or corners. The next effect is the most important one today. I'm talking about transform effect. I can move or rotate or reflect or scale any shape or text. For example, I will make an rectangle like this and choose any color for the fill and increase the stroke like this and open effect menu and transform. Now I can scale it, click on preview, can increase the horizontal like this or increase or decrease the vertical line. And also I can move like this and rotate, and I have here some option like reflect, or I can transform patterns and scale stroke effect with the transform. And here I have make copies. I can choose any number like 5, and now I can make copies like this with decrease and the vertical, and I can rotate like this, and I can change the center point of the effect, can rotate. For another example, I will make an ellipse like this and I want only stroke. Now open transform. I will decrease the stroke. Choose transform menu and choose like 6 copies, and now I can make like this. Click on preview, and I can increase the number of copies like this and make any designs like this. The next one is tweak effect. It is very nice. I can make a rectangle like this and use tweak and click on preview. Now I can make like this, or in the vertical. It's like a flag, and I can use relative or absolute, and I can modify the points I wanted to change, like anchor point and in control points and out control points. I can select all of them. The next one is twist effect. It is cool. It looks like warp. I can use it with rectangles or any shape or text. Click on preview and I can increase to make the twist, or increase like this and make the effect in the second way. The last effect today is zigzag. I will make it on a text like this, and now zigzag. Click on preview and decrease like this. Choose relative or absolute, and it's very cool effect. And I can increase the effect or decrease it like this, and I can also make it smooth or corners. Now for example, I will make this design by transform effect. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.